Hello, welcome back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is a system test 7 I believe, of the addressable fire alarm system. So, we have my BG12LX, we have the panel. Oh, yeah, it's on the wall now, by the way. For the first time in Kansas Fire Alarms history, we have a panel on the wall in this house, because we had the fire shield on the wall, if y'all remember, but it's not anymore, considering I don't live in the house anymore, it's not on the wall. But, yeah, so the panel is on the wall. So, yeah. We have a Wheelock MT24WM, I'm pretty sure. SD355, or not SD, NH100, which works on this panel. In the closet, SD355. Hallway, SD355, and a Spectral Alert Classic. L-Series remote strobe, and a classic horn. Now the system is on march time. The strobe will not flash, and these two will though. So let's start with the heat detector. This will be the only detector I'll be activating. Oh yeah, that's a thing it does to communicate with the panel. So yeah, apparently. So yeah, let's hold the magnet. It'll activate. Now that I'm holding it, and it's not verifying, and since I don't have very many points installed, it's a little slow. There we are. That's bright. Alright, and now we will pull the BG12LX, and I will try to not make this the most unsatisfactory pull of a BG12LX ever, like the last video, or the last system test. 3, 2, 1. Actually, let me get this photo. Wait, hold on. Close the panel door. Alright, so that is everything I have to show for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.